हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस क्लास रे आम लास्ट क्लास बोली कहलु किंतु टेक्निकल इश्यू पे ताहा हे पारिलानी आ सरिलानी। एटा होची फाइनल पार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ गांधी इज ए स्पेशल एंथ्रोलॉजी was recently released by the president of which of the following country? Right answer is Nepal. Name the winner 2020 ITTF Women's World Cup table tennis title Cheng Meng, who state bagged the best state prize in National Water Award NWA for 2019 Tamil Nadu. माने नेशनल अवार्ड 2090 को स्टेट पाइथिला तमिलनाडु। नेक्स्ट, द लार्जेस्ट सोलर पावर प्लांट प्रोजेक्ट एट ए हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड इन इंडिया हैज बीन सेट अप व्हिच प्लेस? राइट आंसर इज ले इन लद्दाख। इंडियन गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च व्हिच मिसाइल टू बूस्ट डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस कोविड-19 वैक्सीन कैंडिडेट? राइट आंसर इज मिशन कोविड सुरक्षा। Which cricket player emerged as the fastest batsman to reach 22,000 international runs? Virat Kohli. Next, which organization has released a report titled "The Impact of COVID-19 Pandemic on Trade and Development Transitioning to New Normal"? Unicade. Who has been appointed as the ambassador of BAFTA Breakthrough India 2020-21? AR Rahman. Who has won Formula 1 Golf Air Bahrain Grand Prix 2020? Lewis Hamilton. Next, who has been designed the Secretary General of Lok Sabha? Right answer is Utpal Kumar Singh. माने सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ लोकसभा किए अछि एबे डेजिग्नेटेड? हु हैज बीन डेजिग्नेटेड सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ लोकसभा? उत्पल कुमार सिंह। द इंडियन नेवी टेस्ट फायर द एंटी-शिप वर्जन ऑफ द ब्रह्मोस सुपरसोनिक क्रूज मिसाइल व्हिच प्लेस? राइट आंसर इज अंडमान निकोबार आइसलैंड। वर्ल्ड कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी सेलिब्रेट इन व्हिच डेट? डिसेंबर 2। UBS expect India real GDP growth rebound by how much in 2022? 10 plus 10%. Next, who has launched first virtual national tribal festival? Who has launched first virtual national tribal festival? Right answer is Tamil Nadu maybe. मिनिस्टर श्री अर्जुन मुंडा। नेक्स्ट, फॉर व्हिच पर्पज कास्पर सी एंड CERT has announced strategic partnership improving cyber security by CERT आउ कास्पेरसी से माने पार्टनरशिप करथिले साइबर सिक्योरिटी को इंप्रूव करिया। व्हाट इज द थीम 20th एडिशन ऑफ श्रीलंका इकोनॉमिक समिट 2020? रोड मैप ऑफ टेक ऑफ ड्राइविंग ए पीपल सेंट्रिक इकोनॉमिक रिवाइवल। हु हैज लॉन्च ग्रीन चारकोल हैकाथॉन? राजकुमार सिंह। नेक्स्ट, ADB approved 430 million MFM for which state power distribution network rehabilitation project? Uttar Pradesh. Which company manufacture India first 100% octane petrol? IOCL. Name the player who has won the men's single 2020 US Open tennis tournament? Dominic Thiem. Next, Jane Fraser has recently been appointed as the first female CEO of which bank? Citigroup. Who among the following has recently been appointed as the Executive Director of World Bank? Rajesh Khuller. Name F1 research who has been inaugural edition of the Transcend Grand Prix 2020. Lewis Hamilton. Next. Name the player who has won the women's single 2020 US Open tennis tournament. Naomi Osaka. Who has been elected new Prime Minister of Japan? Yoshihide Suga. Fumio Kishida ଏବେ recently ଅଛି. Name the winner of Lifetime Achievement Award for the year 2020 Euromoni Awards of Excellency. Aditya Puri. My Family, My Responsibility campaign has been launched. Which state curb coronavirus spread? Right answer is Maharashtra. Next. What is the theme of International Day of Preservation of the Ozone Layers? Right answer is Ozone for Life, 30 years of ozone layer protection, 35 years of ozone layer protection. What is the theme of the World Patient Safety Days 2020? Health worker safety and priority for patient safety. Who among these has been honored with 2020 Asia Game Changer Award? Right answer is Vikas Khanna. Next, a new book titled Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Friction is authored by Arundhati Roy. Next, 10th meeting of the NSA was hosted by current chair BRICS by Russia. Who has been honored with 2020 Dayton Literacy Peace Prize Lifetime Achievement Award? Margaret Atwood. What is rank of India in the Human Capital Index 2020? 116. The Dayton Literacy Peace Prize is present by which country? United States. Next. What is the theme of International Day of Peace 2020? Shaping Peace Together. What is the theme of World Alzheimer Day 2020? Let's talk about dementia. Who among has been awarded with IG Nobel Prize 2020 for medical education? Narendra Modi. Next, who among the following has been the first woman fighter pilot Indian to fly Rafale combat aircraft? Right answer, Shivangi Singh. Next, a new book titled Voice of Dissent, authored by Romila Thapar. The United Nations Climate Change Conference COP26 is slated to be held which city? Glasgow, Switzerland. COP26 Glasgow, Switzerland कि स्कॉटलैंड. आपण मानक होमवर्क देली. ग्लासगोटा स्विट्जरलैंड ना होम स्विट्जरलैंड ना आमर स्कॉटलैंड ग्लासगो बिलोंग्स करुची ना आयरलैंड? आपण माने कहंतु. व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे 2020? ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग ग्लोबल हेल्थ. नेक्स्ट, according to the World Risk Index WRI 2020, India has been ranked at the desk spot among 181 countries. 89. New height of Mount Everest is 8848.86 meter or 29,031.7 feet. Who author book The Earth Spinner? Arundhati Roy. Who authored the book titled How the Earth Got Its Beauty? Sudha Murthy. Next, which state has become the first state one to issue the order about implementing of National Education Policy 2020? Karnataka. National Javelin Throw Day will be celebrated which date? Javelin Throw Day है August 7. Jack Krzysztof Duda of which country won 2021 Fight World Cup? Poland. Who has won the gold medal for India javelin throw Tokyo Olympics? Neeraj Chopra. Next. The one-stop passenger helpline launched by Indian Railway is Rail Madad. An Indian wrestler won the Olympic wrestling bronze medal 2021, Bajrang Punia, who has been appointed as the Director of Geological Survey of India. Dhriti Banerjee. Next. India men hockey team defeated which team to win their first ever bronze Olympic medal in 41 years? Germany. India wrestler Ravi Kumar Dhaya bagged the Olympic medal silver. Who has won the bronze medal boxing at Tokyo Olympics 2020? Right answer is Lovlina Borgohain. Which city became the first Indian city to accomplish 100% COVID-19 vaccine? Bhubaneswar. Who has won the Hungarian Grand Prix 2021? Esteban Ocon. Who has authored the book titled In an Idea World? Kunal Basu. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Myanmar? Min Aung Hlaing. Muslim Women Rights Day is being celebrated all over the country which date? August 8. Yulimar Rojas of which country created new world records in women's triple jump Olympic 2021? Venezuela. NISAR NASA ISRO synthetic aperture radar satellite is a joint mission of which Indian organization? ISRO. Koroika Konkethurai is a ferry service India with which country? Sri Lanka. Next. Who has been crowned Miss India US 2021 or a beauty pageant? Right answer is Bohidehi Dogre. Who won the 2021 Maharashtra Bhushan Puraskar given the Maharashtra government? Right answer is Asha Bhosle. Which India among 13 author longest for the prestigious 2021 Booker Prize for Fiction his novel China Room? Sanjeev Sahota. Next. World largest star sapphire cluster worth up to $100 million has been found which country? Sri Lanka. Global Tiger Day or International Tiger Day observed on which date? 29 July. Next. Sitio Burla mark site which has been added to UNESCO list World Heritage Site which country? Brazil. Yuto Horigome of which country has been achieved feat of winning first ever skateboarding competition at the Olympic Games? Japan. Momiji Nishia, who became one of the youngest individual Olympic champion, belongs to which country? Japan. Najib Mikati has become the new Prime Minister of which country? Lebanon. del Prado and Buen Retiro Park, which has been added UNESCO World Heritage List, belongs to which country? Spain. Which city has to be UNESCO List World Heritage Site? Right answer is Dholavira. A Harappa era city is located in Gujarat, run of Kutch. 13 years old skateboard Momiji Nishia, who won the gold medal Tokyo 2020 Olympic, is from which country? Japan. Next, NASA select which space agency for the Europa Clipper mission? SpaceX. Who officially opened 22nd Summer Olympic Game in Tokyo? Emperor Naruhito. Priya and Tanu, who become the latest world champions recently, belongs to which game? Wrestling. Next, who is the President-elect UN General Assembly? Abdullah Saidi. Next, who was named AIFF Men Football of the Year 2020-2021 season? Sandesh Jingon. Next, who has been named as the Women Football of the Year at the annual IFF Award 2021? Bala Devi. Who has been appointed UN Tax Committee as a member for the term period 2020 to 2025? Rashmi Ranjan Das. Which country will supply 21 MiG-29 fighter jets besides 20 Sukhoi Mk1 to India? Russia. Next, what is the new update motto of Olympic? Together from faster, higher and stronger. Which country will be the host 2032 Olympic and Paralympic? Australia. INS Khanjar has been first Indian Navy ship to call the Heritage Coast which state? Odisha. Which state government has approved the retirement of transgender in police? Odisha. Recruitment of transgender of police, माने ट्रांसजेंडर मानन को पुलिस रे रिक्रूट कर को गवर्नमेंट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट? ओडिशा. नेक्स्ट, जुलिया Dukaurnaou, who became the first female director in the last 20 years to win the Palme d'Or, a Cannes Film Festival, belongs to which country? France. Who is the composer of the Tokyo Olympics cheer song Hindustani Way? AR Rahman. What is the theme of the World Youth Skill Day 2021? Right answer is reimagining youth skill post pandemic. Who is the author of the book The Struggle Within a Memory of Emergency? Ashok Chakravarti. Next, what is the theme of 2021 World Population Day? The impact of COVID-19 pandemic on fertility. Which player has clinched 2021 Wimbledon tennis men's single title? Novak Djokovic. Who is the winner of 2021 Wimbledon women's tennis title? The right answer is Ashley Barty. Next, who is the author of the book The Light of Asia, the poem that defined the Buddha? Joyram Ramesh. Who is the author of the book The Fourth Lion Essays for Gopal Krishna Gandhi? Benu Madhav Govindu. Who is the author of the book titled Lady Doctor The Untold Story of India First Women in Medicine, Kavita Rao. Next, who is the winner of 2021 Australian Grand Prix? Max Bhi- Max Verstappen. Next, what is the theme National Doctor Days 2021? Save the Saviors. Who has become the youngest ever Grandmaster in chess history by breaking the previous record held by Sergey Karjakin, Abhimanyu Mishra, who has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Federation of United Nations Association, Justice Shambhu Nath Srivastav, who is the author of the book titled Ferociously Female, The Duti Chand Story, Sundeep Mishra. Next, what is the theme National Statistical Day 2021? End hunger, achieve food security, improved nutrition, promote sustainable agriculture. Who has been awarded the Fukuoka Grand Prix 2021? Palaguimi Sainath. Sainath. What is the theme Micro, Small and Medium Size Enterprise Day 2021? Right answer MSME 2021, Key to Inclusive Recovery. Next, what is the theme of 2021 International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking? Share. Right answer is Share Fact and on Drugs Save Lives. Who is the author of the book titled It's a Wonderful Life? It's a Wonderful Life, Road Happiness, Ruskin Ball. Next, what is the theme of 2021 Day of Seafarer? Right answer is Seafarer at the Core of Shipping's Future. Next, who is the author of the book titled My Joy and Sorrows as a Mother of Special Child? Krishna Saxena. The autobiography book titled Will is the autobiography of Will Smith, who has been named as the ambassador of Forest Frontliner Hero by WWF India. Upasana Kamileni. The joint military exercise Mustafa Kemal Atatürk 2021 has been between which country भितर Mustafa Kemal Atatürk 2021 Turkey and Azerbaijan भितर military exercise एता है थाई. What is the theme of military exercise Santirk Orgo Sena 2021 Robust Peace and Keeping Operation. What is the theme of International Dance Day 2021? Purpose of Dance. ये टिके मिस्टेक अच्छी आपण माने टिके मैनेज करि नेबे एंड थैंक यू सो मच एंड प्लीज लाइक शेयर कमेंट टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल.